Hey, this is Chez with Abe Roofing in Vincennes, Indiana, and I'm working on a flat roof today. Actually, just checking it out after we installed it. It's there behind me, as you can see. We only did partial, but that's called TPO, and that's a lot of times that's a commercial product, but we did it. There's some homes that need that type of product as well, so we installed it in this home. There was a metal roof on here that was seamed together, and then a lot of times you see that in older homes like this one. This is built the early 1900s. The seam started leaking, so they started coating it, and then another coat and another coat. And as you can see over here on this side, that's what happens to your coats over time. They just dry up, and those coats are a temporary solution. So what you can see there is we started right there and started our TPO. We do commercial installations as well, so give us a call at Abe Roofing and we can get you a flat roof solution. And we have a lot of different options: EPDM, TPO. This is the best product on the market, we think, for flat roofing. Give us a call, set up an appointment, and we'll come out and give you some roofing solutions. Have a great day.